Let's talk about the battle for Uttar Pradesh. The biggest question that the BJP has been posing to the Congress party is why the Congress so far has not come out with the name of candidates for Rai Bareli and Amethi, considered Congress bastions historically, Gandhi bastions historically. Apart from 2019, Amethi, remember, has stayed with the Gandhis. Times Now has now accessed inside scoop on Amethi and Rai Bareli battle, and sources have told your channel that the Gandhi siblings may fight the Lok Sabha polls from their family seats. This massive political development comes at a very interesting juncture. On one hand, the BJP has been going hammer and tongs on Congress for not announcing a candidate from Amethi, and on the other hand, there is speculation over Robert Vadra's candidature from this very seat. This new development adds more spice to the Amethi battle. Sources have also told your channel the final decision on Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra will be taken after the second phase of elections, which is going to be tomorrow on the 26th. And we've also learned that the Gandhi siblings may file nominations between the 1st of May and the 3rd of May. But amidst all these developments, what is interesting is that Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi may visit Ayodhya and also offer prayers before Ram Lalla in Ram Mandir, and all of this before filing their nominations. So this comes after Rahul Gandhi mocked the Pran Pratishtha of Ram Mandir this January, and on expected lines, the BJP is already at it to pick this up against the Congress party. Let me go across to Ranjita, my colleague, joining us with more details. Ranjita, बहुत बड़ी खबर आ रही है कि प्रियंका गांधी वाड्रा और राहुल गांधी ही कांग्रेस के कैंडिडेट्स होंगे राय बरेली और अमेठी से। बहुत सवाल बीजेपी की तरफ से आ रहे हैं काफी दिनों से, पर जो ये अयोध्या की विजिट, जो अयोध्या जाने का निर्णय शायद सोचा जा रहा है कांग्रेस की ओर से, वो और भी मसालेदार बना देता है इस पूरी खबर को।
बिल्कुल, देखिए, निश्चित तौर पर ये सवाल सबके जहन में था कि क्या कांग्रेस पार्टी की तरफ से अमेठी और रायबरेली का उम्मीदवार कौन होगा, और इन तमाम सवालों को कई बार जो है वो मीडिया ने गांधी परिवार के सामने भी रखा और कांग्रेस लीडरशिप के भी सामने। कल जब टाइम्स नाउ से एक्सक्लूसिव बातचीत की प्रियंका गांधी वाड्रा ने, उस समय भी मैंने ये सवाल उनसे किया था कि रायबरेली से क्या कांग्रेस पार्टी की उम्मीदवार आप होंगी। मुस्कुराते हुए उन्होंने ये कहा था कि हम जल्द आपको इसका पता चल जाएगा। सूत्रों का दावा है कि रायबरेली से प्रियंका गांधी और अमेठी से राहुल गांधी कांग्रेस पार्टी के उम्मीदवार होंगे, और इस पर अंतिम जो निर्णय है वो लगभग अब हो चुका है, और कांग्रेस पार्टी जल्द ही दोनों ही सीटों पर घोषणा भी करेगी, और नॉमिनेशन की जो प्रक्रिया रहेगी इन दोनों सीटों पर वो 1 से 3 मई के बीच, क्योंकि नॉमिनेशन 25 से जो है वो शुरू हो जाएगा, और आज से ही इनफैक्ट कहे आज से जो नॉमिनेशन की प्रक्रिया है वो शुरू हो जाएगी, और 3 मई तक नॉमिनेशन का आखिरी दिन है। तो ऐसे में कांग्रेस पार्टी की पूरी तैयारी नॉमिनेशन से लेकर और चुनाव लड़ने तक की है। कांग्रेस अपने मैनिफेस्टो को अमेठी और रायबरेली में घर घर तक पहुंचाने का काम कर रही है। ब्लॉक लेवल पे भी लगातार बैठकें की जा रही है, और कहा जा रहा है कि नॉमिनेशन से पहले राहुल गांधी और प्रियंका गांधी रामलला के दर्शन के लिए अयोध्या भी जाएंगे।
रंजीता, धन्यवाद हमसे जुड़ने के लिए। विल कीप कमिंग बैक टू यू। लेट्स ऑल्सो टॉक अबाउट द ड्विंडलिंग फैमिली bastions. Remember, Uttar Pradesh, you know, the politics in the state was known to be a politics between the Congress, Samajwadi Party and the BJP. And the BJP most certainly has been making inroads after inroads, including some of the Gandhi bastions as well. So let's quickly take you through some of these seats one by one. Amethi, remember, is now held by the BJP. 1980, Sanjay Gandhi had won once. Rajiv Gandhi won 4 times between 1981 to 1991. And then comes Sonia Gandhi, who won once again. This is in 1994. She held this constituency from 1999 to 2004. Rahul Gandhi in Amethi, remember, was the MP from 2004 to 2019. 2019 is when he lost to Smriti Irani of the Bharatiya Janata Party, who is once again the candidate of the BJP, has come out with several open dares at the Congress Gandhi Sayan, and goes on to say that she's going to retain the constituency of Amethi. So here's a constituency which was held by the Gandhi family for the longest time, for 31 years. If we put the math together, won 9 times, lost once, lost in 2019. This is when Rahul Gandhi was contesting against Smriti Irani of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Rai Bareli, will Priyanka Gandhi contest? That's the big question. Let's look at the history and what it tells us. Feroz Gandhi won twice. 1952 to 1960, that's when this constituency was with him. Indira Gandhi, the former Prime Minister, from 1967 to 1977, and then 1980, won thrice and lost from this particular constituency once. That's the former Prime Minister's record in Rae Bareli. Sonia Gandhi, remember, won from this constituency 5 times. She was the sitting MP here between 2004 to 2024. She's moved to Rajya Sabha, and the party firmly believes, at least the UP Congress cadre firmly believes, that her daughter Priyanka Gandhi Vadra must be fielded from Rae Bareli. Now, the family has held this particular constituency for 39 long years. Won 10 times, lost once. That's been the track record of the Congress party, of the Gandhi family in Rae Bareli.